Welcome to our guide to effectively burning belly fat through a keto diet. In this video, we will provide essential tips for beginners looking to kickstart their weight loss journey by following a ketogenic diet. By focusing on lowering insulin levels, moderating protein intake, increasing healthy fats, incorporating intermittent fasting, and maintaining nutrient intake, we aim to simplify the process and promote sustainable, healthy weight loss. Belly fat is not only a cosmetic concern but also a health issue, as excess abdominal fat has been linked to various health conditions, including heart disease and diabetes. The keto diet, which is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates, has gained popularity for its ability to promote weight loss, especially targeting stubborn belly fat. One of the key principles of the keto diet is to lower insulin levels by reducing carbohydrate intake to below 50 grams per day. By limiting carbs, the body is forced to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose, leading to a state of ketosis where fat is burned more efficiently. Moderating protein intake is also crucial on a keto diet to prevent excess protein from being converted into glucose, which can hinder weight loss. By focusing on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, beginners can ensure they are getting the necessary nutrients while promoting fat burning. Incorporating intermittent fasting can further enhance the benefits of a keto diet by extending the period of time the body is in a fasted state, allowing it to tap into stored fat for energy. This can accelerate weight loss and improve metabolic health. Maintaining nutrient intake is essential on a keto diet to ensure the body is getting all the vitamins and minerals it needs for optimal function. By including a variety of nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish, beginners can support their overall health while losing weight. By following these simple yet effective tips, beginners can kickstart their weight loss journey and achieve their goals of burning belly fat through a sustainable and healthy approach. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each of these strategies to help you succeed on your keto journey. Step 1. Lower insulin levels by reducing carbs below 50 grams. The first step in effectively burning belly fat through a keto diet is to lower insulin levels by reducing carbohydrate intake to below 50 grams per day. By significantly cutting down on carbs, the body is forced to switch from using glucose as its primary fuel source to burning fat for energy. This metabolic state, known as ketosis, helps the body burn stored fat more efficiently, including stubborn belly fat. Step 2. Moderate protein intake and increase healthy fats initially. To optimize fat burning on a keto diet, it's essential to moderate protein intake and increase healthy fats initially. Consuming too much protein can lead to gluconeogenesis, where excess protein is converted into glucose, potentially hindering weight loss. Instead, focus on incorporating healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish into your meals. These fats not only provide essential nutrients, but also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your keto diet plan. By following these initial steps of lowering carb intake, moderating protein consumption, and increasing healthy fats, beginners can kickstart their journey to burning belly fat through a keto diet. These foundational principles set the stage for successful weight loss by promoting ketosis and fat burning, while ensuring the body receives the necessary nutrients for overall health. Stay tuned for the next steps in our guide, where we will delve deeper into incorporating intermittent fasting and maintaining nutrient intake to further enhance your keto journey. Step 3. Incorporate intermittent fasting. The next crucial step in effectively burning belly fat through a keto diet is to incorporate intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing the body to enter a fasted state where it can tap into stored fat for energy. By extending the fasting period, intermittent fasting can accelerate weight loss and improve metabolic health. Beginners can start by implementing a 16-8 fasting schedule, where they fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. This approach can help regulate insulin levels, promote fat burning, and enhance the benefits of a keto diet. Step 4. Maintain nutrient intake. To ensure overall health and support weight loss on a keto diet, it's essential to maintain nutrient intake. While the focus is on reducing carbs and increasing fats, it's important not to neglect essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporate nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish into your meals to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Consider taking a high-quality multivitamin or mineral supplement to fill any potential gaps in your diet. By prioritizing nutrient intake, you can support your body's functions, boost energy levels, and promote long-term health while on a keto diet. By incorporating intermittent fasting and maintaining nutrient intake, beginners can further enhance their weight loss journey on a keto diet. Intermittent fasting helps optimize fat burning and metabolic health while ensuring adequate nutrient intake supports overall well-being. These steps work synergistically to promote sustainable, healthy weight loss and target stubborn belly fat effectively. Stay tuned for the next steps in our guide, where we will explore additional strategies to help beginners succeed in their keto journey. Step 5. Stay consistent and practice simplicity. As you progress in your journey to effectively burn belly fat through a keto diet, it's crucial to stay consistent and practice simplicity. Consistency is key to seeing results, so make sure to stick to your carb limit, moderate protein intake, and healthy fat consumption. Avoid unnecessary complications and keep your meals simple yet nutritious. By maintaining a consistent approach and simplifying your food choices, you can create sustainable habits that support long-term weight loss and overall health. Step 6. Monitor progress and adjust as needed. The final step in effectively burning belly fat through a keto diet is to monitor your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Keep track of your weight, measurements, energy levels, and overall well-being to gauge how your body is responding to the keto diet. If you hit a plateau or experience any challenges, consider making adjustments such as tweaking your macronutrient ratios, trying different fasting schedules, or incorporating new nutrient-dense foods. Listen to your body's signals and make changes accordingly to continue progressing towards your weight loss goals. By staying consistent, practicing simplicity, and monitoring your progress, you can optimize your efforts to burn belly fat through a keto diet. These final steps are essential for maintaining momentum, overcoming obstacles, and achieving sustainable, healthy weight loss. Remember that every individual is unique, so it's important to tailor your approach to suit your own needs and preferences. With dedication, patience, and a focus on simplicity and consistency, you can successfully navigate the keto diet journey and reach your desired outcomes. Congratulations on completing the essential tips for beginners to effectively burn belly fat through a keto diet. By following these steps and strategies, you are well equipped to embark on a sustainable and healthy weight loss journey. Stay committed, stay focused, and enjoy the benefits of a keto lifestyle. Best of luck on your path to a healthier you. In conclusion, we have explored essential tips for beginners to effectively burn belly fat through a keto diet, emphasizing simplicity and consistency to promote sustainable, healthy weight loss. By following these steps, you can kickstart your weight loss journey and achieve your goal of targeting stubborn belly fat. We began by focusing on lowering insulin levels by reducing carbs below 50 grams per day, which initiates the process of ketosis and promotes fat burning. Moderating protein intake and increasing healthy fats initially are crucial steps to ensure your body is efficiently utilizing fats for energy while avoiding excess protein conversion into glucose. Incorporating intermittent fasting can further enhance the benefits of a keto diet by extending the fasting period and tapping into stored fat for fuel. This approach accelerates weight loss and improves metabolic health. Maintaining nutrient intake is essential to support overall health and ensure your body receives the necessary vitamins and minerals for optimal function. As you progress, remember to stay consistent, keep your meals simple, and monitor your progress closely. Adjust your approach as needed to overcome challenges and continue moving towards your weight loss goals. By practicing simplicity and consistency, you can establish sustainable habits that lead to long-term success on a keto diet. We encourage you to take the knowledge and tips shared in this video and apply them to your own journey towards burning belly fat through a keto diet. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Share your progress, challenges, and successes with others to inspire and motivate them on their own paths to wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey to effectively burn belly fat through a keto diet. We hope you feel empowered and motivated to take control of your health and achieve the results you desire. Stay committed, stay focused, and embrace the transformative power of a keto lifestyle. Here's to a healthier, happier you.